Honey is sweet, healthy, and nutritious ingredient for your health. Everyone young or old has been benefited from it. Here are the health benefits of honey that are supported by science. Number 1. Raw organic honey is loaded with vitamins, minerals, and enzymes which protect the body from bacteria and boost the immune system. Cold and flu symptoms such as coughs, sore throats, and congestion are also kept at bay when treated with honey. To improve your immune system, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey to warm water daily. For an extra boost, add a dash of cinnamon. Number 2. Honey can be a health aid for sleepless nights. Similar to sugar, honey can cause a rise in insulin and release serotonin, a neurotransmitter that improves mood and happiness. Moreover, honey also contains several amino acids, including tryptophan, that is commonly associated with turkey. Honey's steady rise in insulin, according to Brenkick, causes the tryptophan in honey to enter the brain, where it's then converted into serotonin and then into melatonin, which is a sleep aid. This hormone is responsible for regulating sleep and wake cycles. Number 3. Honey can help with some risk factors that are common in diabetics. For example, it lowers LDL cholesterol, triglycerides, and inflammation, and raises HDL, good cholesterol. However, some studies have found that it can also increase blood sugar levels, just not as much as refined sugar. So, while honey may be less bad than refined sugar for diabetics, it is still something that diabetics could only consume with caution. In fact, diabetics may do best minimizing all high-carb foods. Number 4. Drinking alcohol loads the liver, which leads to the familiar symptoms of dehydration, thirst, headache, and nausea. Drinking a cup of warm water with half a fresh lemon and to a teaspoon of honey will help to detoxify the liver and reduce the effect of alcohol. You can also consume the drink daily on an empty stomach for cleaning the body. Number 5. Again, honey is a rich source of phenols and other antioxidant compounds. Many of these have been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease. They may help the arteries in the heart dilate, increasing blood flow to the heart. They may also help prevent the formation of blood clots, which can lead to heart attacks and strokes. Furthermore, one study in rats showed that honey protected the heart from oxidative stress. Number 6. Honey can help in weight loss when consumed with warm water and lemon juice. Many people drink this formula at the start of the day as a way of stimulating weight loss. Honey is packed with amino acids and a number of valuable vitamins and minerals, many of which benefit the body's metabolism. By regulating the metabolism, food is utilized properly. Fat is converted into usable energy and overall health is improved.